Hey guys, welcome to thekindflux. I am Aarish Nagpal. So as you guys already know, I'm making YouTube videos from nearly 2 months now. So I want to invest more in the lighting and stuff. So like a month ago I bought a ring light and it arrived today, and I brought it from Aliexpress as well, and it is really cool ring light with RGB colors and stuff. So I will just show you the unboxing of that light and tell me your feedback in the comment section if you like it or not. Okay, let's get to it. So here it is guys. So there was two boxes and this one is tripod and that's the ring light. Let me show you. So what's come to that. So that's the ring light. There are few controllers here, and this is phone mount, and this is Bluetooth remote to control the recording and clicking photos and stuff, and this is another remote to control the color of lights like RGB and stuff like that. So that's, I will put it on side and I will show you, I will turn it on as well soon. Now this is tripod. Probably I have to assemble it yet, and we'll see if I can do it right now, or I might do it later and finish it off and then show you, or something like that. It's like 220 centimeters or something like that. So here it is. So nothing inside. I'm gonna put it on side. So that's the tripod. Pretty nice. I think the phone holder will go here and these will expand and go down or up, there are some tabs here to open it and to make it small, or maybe phone holder will go here. I have to read the instructions and I will let you know. So I'm gonna probably assemble it now and I will show you how it looks like and stuff. Okay, here you guys. So I connected it with the power supply. You can use anything. So that's the controller. As you can see, there are multiple buttons, RGB, changing colors and changing mode and power off and stuff like that. So that's the tripod. It is really tall. You can adjust it from these things. There are like 3 of them. I can make it like more longer as well. I think it's 220 or something. And then here's the ring light. I turned off the light of my room so we can see the brightness better. Let me change the colors and let me show you a bit better. So this is one, this is another color, this is another one, and we can also increase the brightness or decrease it. Probably it's a bit hard to see because it's changing a lot. So it is really good, I would say. Now I will show you the RGB one. So here it is, different colors, and it can change as well. If I just like see, there are like various colors and stuff as well. So many modes you can do. You can control these things with your remote control as well. It's just showing random colors. It is really nice. Maybe the camera is not justifying it that properly, but it is really nice. I will try to record it again with another shot so I can adjust it just on the ring light, so I can adjust the exposure and stuff like that so you guys can see it better. Just see the attached video next to it. So as you can see now, you can see it much better. It is way darker at the background, but the RGB lights and colors you can see much better. Everything else will be darker. It is pretty bright and really cool. You can see there are so many different colors. Let me show you a bit close. Very nice. It's good for parties as well, I would say. And see, there are so many different modes. So yeah, that's about it, and I brought it because it has RGB colors as well and other 3 normal modes, so I thought it would be fun, and this is like flickering one and stuff. really nice. I still have to explore it more, and probably I will start making more videos using it. I hope it will be pretty good and helpful. If you like this video and you think it's helpful, let me know in the comment section, and please share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye.